Welcome to Science Lab with Mrs. Keener. Hi everyone. We're starting a new unit today on living things and the cool things that they have that help them to survive. In today's experiment, we're going to make something called finger splints to help us appreciate how important our joints are in our skeleton. A splint is something that you attach to the outside of your body if you have a broken bone. If you've ever broken a toe or a finger, you'll know that a splint is something that you can tape to the outside or wrap around the outside, and it keeps your finger or toe in the right position while your bones are healing. When you're wearing a splint, you can't bend that finger or that toe. Today, we're going to put splints on our fingers and try to do things without being able to bend our finger joints. Finger joints are pretty important. These are the places where the finger bones come together. And because we have several joints, several places where we can bend our fingers, that makes it possible for us to pick things up, to wrap our fingers around things. Pretty useful. Our four longer fingers have a joint near the fingernail and a joint in the middle of the finger, and they can also move at the place where they attach to the hand. Our thumbs have one joint in the middle and the place where they attach to the hand. I want you to find 4 pencils, and it's okay if they're not sharp. In fact, it's better if they're not sharp. If they are sharp, please draw with them or write with them a little bit so that they're not sharp. I don't want them to poke you during this experiment. Tape each pencil to each of your long fingers. You can use either clear tape or masking tape. And if you don't have tape, you could use rubber bands or something else. Make sure that the pencil goes all the way up to your fingernail. And if it goes past your fingernail, that's okay. Once it's taped on, make sure that you have tape near your fingernail and near the base of the finger near your hand, so that when you try to move your finger, you can't bend it at the 2 joints that are inside your finger. Tape the other pencils onto your other fingers. Test it out. Make sure that you can't bend your finger joints. If you can bend them, add some more tape. Now, try to pick something up with your hand that has finger splints on it. I found it was pretty challenging. I'm going to try to pick up this tiny little bread tag. Really tough when you can't bend your finger joints. I did manage to do a little bit of typing on my keyboard as long as I could bend my finger at the base of the finger, the place where it attaches to the hand. I wonder if I can braid my hair with finger splints on. Doesn't work so well. Finger joints are pretty important. Please send me a picture or video of you trying to do something with your finger splints on. Can you write your name? Can you eat something? Can you braid your hair? I wonder. Send me pictures or video.